Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for you at top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day today, bro. I'm excited because I have a package in from Foot Locker. Now, it has been a while since I got something from Foot Locker. I thought they forgot about you, boy. But yet again, we are here with another unboxing. Very quickly, before we start the unboxing, huge shout out to Soul Premise. This is the t-shirt that I'm wearing. If you guys want to check out Soul Premise, they have gear, accessories, and bags available down below. I will link them in the description. Use discount code Snipe Squad to get 35% off the entire website. Also, guys, I have two giveaways that's actually live at the moment right now. One of the giveaways is possibly the best Air Jordan of the entire year. Me and the Sneaker Life are giving away a pair of Air Jordan 1 Mochas. It's very easy to enter the giveaway. All you have to do, check out the link down below in the description. It'll take you over to a website. Then you can get multiple entries from just clicking that link, and good luck to everybody who wants to enter. Last but not least, me and Rejuvenator are giving away a pair of Air Jordan Dark Concords. All you have to do to be in that giveaway is simply subscribe to my channel. Head over to Rejuvenator. You can only use the link to Rejuvenator that's down below. Once you go over to Rejuvenator, you have to buy at least one thing. Once you buy that one thing, you screenshot the purchase to me, and of course, you will be entered in that giveaway as well. Now, you can buy more than one thing to be given like multiple entries in the giveaway, but you know what I'm saying? That's how you enter that giveaway, and both of these are done by like the end of the month, so make sure you own that ASAP. Y'all know the vibes, man. Foot Locker, thank y'all so much for this, bro, but I have to bring up something actually kind of concerning. First of all, this box is pretty big. Second of all, I need to talk to whoever my mail carrier is, because every time I get a box at this location, either the tape is messed with, but this time it's completely removed. Yes, bruh. The tape is actually completely removed from this, and I didn't touch it. I literally saw this box when I came home from doing that prank with Holla. By the way, that's another giveaway I'm trying to do. I did a prank on Holla where I gave him a pair of Air Jordan 1 Off-Whites, and they were fake, and I let him wear it for 2 days before I told him. Shout out to everybody supporting that video. I told you guys, if we can get that video to 1 million views, I will give away a pair of Air Jordan 4 Unions or a pair of Air Jordan Off-White 5s in the winter size at that. So make sure you head over to watch that video, give it a thumbs up, and run them views up, share it, like it, do all that good stuff to get the numbers up, man. I appreciate it. Regardless, let's see what's in it, man. I don't want to even look and see what's in it. I'm gonna let y'all look and see what's in it. I'm hoping it's some Air Jordans, or I'm hoping it's something basketball related, bro. I'm not gonna show y'all, but what I do know is I kind of, you know what I'm saying? I kind of hope it's either an Air Jordan or something basketball related. Foot Locker has been working with a lot of influencers, and I follow a lot of influencers, so I kind of got an idea. It's either Air Jordan or it has to be something basketball. In my opinion, I hope it's something basketball related, because I've never got anything basketball related. Anyway, let's check it out, bro. What we got? Oh, this is a big box. Yeah, this is definitely, okay. Yeah, this gotta be like a concept box, cause this is huge and heavy too. Let's go! Let's go! Y'all know the vibes, baby! Y'all know the vibes, bro. Let's go, all right? Let's go. I knew it. First of all, Foot Locker. Thank y'all, okay? Foot Locker, I love y'all. It's just amazing, bro. It's just amazing. I'm not gonna get too sentimental, y'all know that, but it's just amazing. So, looking at this box, bro, I got a card here too. I'm gonna read the card. But looking at this box, it's a basketball box. That's why I'm excited, because obviously it's a basketball concept shoe, and it has the Foot Locker because sneakers. I love the packaging. Presentation is key, especially when you're doing YouTube videos like this. Just like, I can have this in the back of me, like in my, you know what I'm saying, my new spot. And I'm excited to open these up, bro. Y'all have no idea. I don't know what's in here. And I always wanted them to send me a basketball collection, because they always send me like fashion sneakers. Like, they'll send me Jordans, and like they'll send me like dope shoes, but it's like, I have a second channel where I do a lot of basketball reactions, and I hoop. And a lot of y'all know I hoop just about all the time. So for them to send me over a basketball packet, I mean, they paying attention to your boy, you know what I'm saying? So thank y'all. Let me get my Floyd Mayweather on. It says, welcome to BSBC, an elite group of tastemakers and shape and drive the basketball culture. Whether you are a pro park legend, casual player, or fan of the program, we know that you have love for the game like no other. This support has a way of bringing people together and form a powerful community fueled by passion and love of the game. As an inaugural member of Foot Locker's Because Sneakers Basketball Club, we wanted to reach out to you and demonstrate the unrevolved and unappreciated access to the club that provides you by sending you something that will instantly remind you of your love of basketball. So whether you're competing or sitting courtside, you will have a new pair of kicks to show what your love for the game is all about. Shout out to Foot Locker, man. I appreciate that so much. But without further ado, let's open this up and see what's in it, man. Oh, whoa. What is this? It gotta be concept related. It gotta be. I'm gonna put this down. Okay. What is this? It's the heavy duty rain jacket. Okay. Reebok. Yes, sir. You see the Reebok on the back? The Reebok. What it says on this part? Shine Kemp. Okay, so we got the Shine Kemp logo right here as well. Shout out to Shine Kemp, man. So obviously, it gotta be some Shine Kemps inside. You know what I'm saying? This is tough though. They got the rain jacket, and the irony is it looked like it's about to rain outside. Actually pretty bad. But yeah, they got the rain jacket right here, the Shine Kemp yellow rain back jacket. Pretty thick, nice quality. I'm rocking with that. What else we got? Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? The small things that matter. Foot Locker, because sneakers. Now let's get to the shoes, okay? What are the shoes? They gotta be some Shine Kemp. It gotta be. It gotta be. And it is. We have the Shine Kemp. I believe these are the Kamikaze 2s, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yes, the flashback, the 95 Shine Kemp Kamikaze 2 OG. I knew it. I know my shoes, but your boy Snipe know more than just Jordans and Yeezys and foam posits. Here we have the Shine Kemp Kamikaze 2. The irony of them sending me a Shine Kemp sneaker. Like, I know I'm too young to have watched Shine Kemp in his prime, but it doesn't mean I'm not a hardwood classic guy, okay? I watched Shine Kemp dunk on half the league playing for the Seattle Supersonics with my boy GP over there doing his thing. Actually, a lot of people don't know, when Kevin Durant came to the NBA, Shine Kemp played for the OKC Thunder for a year, but I believe so too. So yeah, anyway, look, bro, I've loved Kamikazes, okay? And I'm not just saying that. I owned Kamikazes before YouTube. I had the glow-in-the-dark pair back when Isaiah Thomas was a part of Reebok, and he was rocking the Kamikazes when he played for the the Sacramento Kings, and that's how you know ain't no cap in my rap. Ironically, if y'all follow me on Instagram, bro, I literally, like, maybe 2 weeks ago, I just posted a picture with me wearing the Air Jordan 10 Seattle Supersonics, and I had the Seattle Supersonics crew neck on, saying we have to get Seattle Supersonics back in the NBA. So for Foot Locker to send me over the Seattle Supersonic Shine Kemp Kamikaze 2. The irony in that is just crazy, man. But here we have it. You see the white, black. You see the Seattle Supersonic green in that. You check out the outer sole, the red Reebok logo, Supersonic green going across the top. So as we check out the top, man, you see the white and green on the back side of the midsole. The front side of the midsole is kind of in that white and black. But the suede that's on the toe box and the suede that's going through the zig of the Kamikaze design feels super good. And then, of course, on the tongue, you see that Reebok. I know this was Ash that sent this over, so Ash, thank you so much, man. I really, really appreciate these, and these might go on foot today. I might actually do, hey, be on the lookout, bro, because I might throw a fit on the gram today. Might wear this whole damn jacket with the shoes and just throw it on the gram today or tomorrow. It depends on when y'all watching this video. But head over to my Instagram and check it out to see if I posted that. But I'm about to go ahead and throw these on foot. I'm super excited. It does look like it's about to rain outside, so I'm gonna probably go ahead and do it now. Then we're gonna head back and tell you guys what I think about the Kamikaze 2. Let's get into it. And now I want to know what's y'all thoughts on the Seattle Supersonic Kamikaze 2. Okay, in my opinion, it's a pretty good vibe. I like the shoe, good sneaker. Like I said, I'm probably going to be throwing these on today. Shoe shout out to Foot Locker for the mystery box. I had no idea what was inside it, but I thank y'all so much, man, for sending that over. And I thought y'all forgot about your boy. But y'all swung through double time for me, man, so thank y'all so much. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that we run all those videos up for all those giveaways I mentioned. All the links will be down below. And until next time, man, it is your boy, Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous. We're really putting in that work, though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.